Hello everybody, my name is Inamullah and I welcome all of you on a YouTube channel. In this video, we shall study mensuration where we are going to discuss volume and surface area of cube and cuboid. So first, we shall discuss area of the two-dimensional object. Remember, the area of a shape is a measure of the surface or space contained within its perimeter, or in simple word we can say the total space occupied by an object is called area, or you can say the available space within the outer boundaries of a shape or two-dimensional object is called surface area. Area, these are some units of the area like square, millimeter square, centimeter square, meter square, kilometer square, inches square, feet square, yard square, mile square. So we always used to measure area in square. Here we shall take an example of centimeter square. You can see we have a piece of paper which is 1 centimeter in length, 1 centimeter in breadth. It's a square piece of paper whose area is 1 centimeter square. We shall place certain number of these square on one surface of this cuboid on your screen. So I choose to stick my square on the front surface area of this cuboid. So these are the small squares which are placed on first surface or front surface area of this cuboid. As you can see, the entire surface of this front surface area is covered with these small squares. We need to count how many squares are pasted on this surface, and that is nothing but area of this surface of the cuboid. In order to find the number of squares pasted on this surface, you can count number of squares placed in length and number of squares placed in breadth, and when you multiply them you will get total number of squares that is placed on this surface. So if you count individually each and every square, it is 20. So total surface area of this particular face of this cuboid is actually 20 centimeter square. Let us take another example. Three-dimensional object. So when we talking about volume, volume is associated with three-dimensional object. A three-dimensional object is having capacity to hold something in it. For example, this cuboid, this big cuboid on your screen is a three-dimensional object. We have a cube on the screen where the length, breadth and height of this cube is 1 centimeter. So total volume of this cube is actually 1 centimeter cube. So 3 times centimeter, when you multiply 3 times centimeter, you will get centimeter cube. So it is clear that volume is calculated uh, in centimeter cube, meter cube, millimeter cube, kilometer cube, inches cube, feet cube, yards cube, miles cube. So these are some examples of units which we usually use to measure volume. And as you can see, everywhere you will find cube. Here we are taking centimeter cube for this particular example, where length, breadth and height of this cube is in centimeter. So we're going to place this small cube within this cuboid, this big cuboid whose length is 5 centimeter, height is 4 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. So we're going to place certain number of small cubes of 1 centimeter each within this cuboid, and the number of cuboid that will occupied within this number of cubes that will occupied within this cuboid is volume of this cuboid. For example, we can place one cube in this cuboid. Same way we can place another cube in this cuboid. So this way we can arrange 5 cubes in one row. We can place 5 more in that. So total is 10 now. I'm placing 5 more. So we placed 15 till now. 4 more. So total 20 cubes of 1 centimeter cube each is placed within this cuboid. Similarly, we can place 15 more. Uh, 20 cubes are placed in this cuboid. Similarly, we can place more 20 in this cuboid. So total now, till now, total 40 centimeter cube. We can place 20 more. So this is what this cuboid is completely filled up. After filling 60 cubes of 1 centimeter cube each, it means the total volume of this cuboid is actually centimeter cube, 60 centimeter cube. How this 60 centimeter cube came? Look at this. The length of this cuboid is 5 centimeter, height is 4 centimeter, breadth is 3 centimeter. So when you multiply 4, 5 and 3, you will get 60 centimeter cube. So this 5 is actually length, 4 is height, 3 is breadth. So here we can say volume of the cuboid is actually length into breadth into height. So length times height times breadth can be used to find out volume of the cuboid. In other words, we can say that base surface area times height will give us volume of the cuboid, because base surface area is can be calculated by multiplying length and breadth of the cuboid, and you can multiply height in that. So this can also be a way to express your formula to find out volume of the cuboid, that is base surface area into height, or you can say length into breadth into height. So hope it is clear to everybody how what is the formula to calculate volume of the cuboid and surface area of two-dimensional object, that is length into breadth. If it is rectangular, if it is square, again you can apply length into breadth. Since it is square, so length and breadth would be in same measurement. So you can take side square into instead of saying length into breadth. Let us take an example. Here we have a compound object. Some measurements are already written on your screen with this object. The object is not to scale. We just need to find out volume of this compound shape or compound object. First one, this big cuboid, big cube we're talking, where the length, breadth and height is of 8 centimeter. So 8 into 8 into 8, 512 centimeter cube. So this, the volume of this particular portion is 512 centimeter cube. Same way, the other one, which is cuboidal in shape, where the length is 12 centimeter, breadth is 8 centimeter and height is 3 centimeter. So when you multiply all three together, you will get volume of this cuboid, which is 288 centimeter cube. And same way you can find out volume of the third portion of this shape, which is 80 centimeter, that is length into breadth into height. Sum of all three will give you total volume of this compound object. 512 plus 288 plus 80, together they makes 880 centimeter cube. So this way we can calculate volume of non-regular shape by converting them into regular one. For example, this compound shape is irregular, but when we divide this into three parts, so one is in cuboid shape, and rest two are in cuboidal shape. Thank you so much for watching our video. In next tutorial we shall discuss volume and surface area of the cylinder and cone. Thank you once again for watching our YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe our Anjuman Islam YouTube channel for more educational videos on on all these subjects in Maharashtra, as per Maharashtra State Board syllabus.